Ni hao, welcome back to my channel. Yuka here. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Yuka living in Tokyo. The other day I went to Yokohama Chinatown, which is located in Kanagawa Prefecture, right next to Tokyo. Yes, there are lots of street food in Tokyo, but you can't really miss this Chinatown. There are lots of yummy food, and also I really enjoyed walking around the town. So I'd like to take you guys to the Chinatown with me. Okay, so let's go. There are three big Chinatown in Japan: Nagasaki Chinatown, Kobe Chinatown, and Yokohama Chinatown. Yokohama Chinatown is the biggest out of three. I used to go to Kobe Chinatown occasionally because it was close from Osaka where I used to live. To be quite honest with you, Yokohama Chinatown is much bigger and more attractive. I still like Kobe Chinatown as well though. Now we arrive at the Chinatown. There are actually lots of people because the state of emergency was just lifted a few days ago. So what are the popular food there? This is xiaolongbao shop named Hotenkaku. Let's try one of them. They look like takoyaki, so organized and look so yummy. I always like watching people making some food at this kind of shops. What makes this shop different from other xiaolongbao shop is they grill the xiaolongbao. They have two flavors, seafood and pork. We should definitely try both of them. Look at them, so yummy! Itadakimasu. まずは豚？これ。熱々です。スープが大変なことになってます。知ってますでしょうか。じわじわ。いただきます。うまい。サクですね。中のスープがじゅわじゅわ出てきて超美味しいです。すごい色が綺麗。焼かれ方ですね。サクサクで美味しい。続きまして、海鮮のシーフードの方行きたいと思います。緑です。何の緑だろうな、これ。熱いまだ。めっちゃスプレッドしちゃった。おいしい。なんか何が入ってんの？エビとか貝とか入ってます。どっちも美味しい。Both pork and seafood were incredibly yummy. I knew that the soup inside was very hot, but I couldn't help stop eating it. It was so yummy, and the hungry level of Yuka is still low. Look at these lovely lanterns. It feels like I'm in China. Aside from restaurants and gift shops, fortune tellers are popular here. Do you believe fortune telling? Would you like to know future by them? Next shop is this, Manchindo. It's actually a restaurant which has long history. I didn't check inside it, but seems gorgeous. What am I going to have here? Yes, I'm going to have this pork bun. It has been introduced on a TV show several times, so it's quite popular. I needed to make a line for that.どうでしょう、めっちゃでかいです。肉はほかほかです。割ってみましょう。すげえ肉たっぷり入ってます。めっちゃ美味しい。なんか皮が結構甘みがあって、お肉はどんな味やろ、食べれてないねんな。結構ソルティーな感じ。美味しい。さすがナンバーワン。エビシューマイいきたいと思います。2つついてます。めっちゃ光がこれは醤油とからしをつけて食べます。こんな感じで仕上がりました。見えますでしょうか。でかいなこれ。いただきます。エビが結構強めですね。なんかエビの身がぎっしり詰まって、ほぼエビですこれ。お肉まんとはまた違った美味しさがあります。I became really full now and decided to walk around the Chinatown. You know, actually there are more than 600 shops and restaurants in this Chinatown. How can you find, your favorite restaurant in this, so many choices? Look at this place. It's so Instagrammable. It must be beautiful at night for sure. Look at these lovely dresses. Which do you want to wear? I like to wear foreign dresses. As you can see, I like cosplays. And also, I have wore Korean chimichurri before. I really like it. Now we found these very beautiful temples. Actually, there are several temples in this Chinatown. Unlike Japanese temples, they use lots of colors and gorgeous decorations. The shape of buildings are unique too. Right next to Tokyo, it's great. You can feel like traveling abroad. Don't forget about sweets. What kind of Chinese sweets do you like? For me, I like gomadango or onion豆, but this time I couldn't ignore this one. This shop's name is Lo Ishin. They have variety of buns, mostly panda faces. I don't know why, but they all look sad. And they have like strawberries, vegetables, red beans, several kinds of buns. Which would you like to try? They look so cute. Panda あんまんです。パンダチョコカスタード。これはあんまんではありません。いただきます。パ ンダさんごめんなさい、顔の半分を切っちゃいます。熱い、とりあえず美味しそうです。いただきます。おお、熱々。チョコレートだからちょっと薄い茶色みたいな、濃い茶色か。おいしい。生地がふわふわでめっちゃ美味しいね。あんまより結構甘さ控えめ。Yes, that's all about Yokohama Chinatown. If you have chance to come to Yokohama, please make sure to visit there. There are lots of fun. Yes, so that's all from me. Thank